Tech. How are you all? In today's video, we can discuss some of the questions of the quantitative aptitude section which have been asked in the last years, that is IBPS RRB 2019 Office Assistant Prelims. So shall we start the class? Okay, so I hope you can see the question. What should come in place of the question mark in the following questions? And the first question is this one. It's 100% sure that 10 questions will be from this simplification or approximation. It's 100% sure, guys. It's very easy as well, provided you must know what is BODMAS rule. You all know, I hope you all know. If you don't know, I will give you the link in the description box. Go through that and then come back. Okay, it's very easy. You can score 10 on 10. So we can go to the first question, right? It's very simple, guys. Question mark, it's an unknown number. So let it be x, right? So x minus 0.5 divided by, because this division is common to this term, right? So x minus 0.5 by 0.2 is equal to 120 divided by 2, it is 60, right? We all know that. So x minus 0.5 on cross multiplying, 0.2 will go into this side, right? So 60 into 0.2, what's the value? 6 to the 12, right? This 0, but because of this point, the 0 get cancelled, right? So the answer is 12 in the RHS. Now x minus 0.5 is 12, right? So from here x is equal to 12 plus 0.5, which is equal to 12.5. This is very simple, right? This is the second question. If you know addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of basic numerals, then this will be very easy for you guys. From the question itself, we can know the level of questions they are asking in the exam. It may be easy to moderate or moderate to difficult, but simplification and approximation type questions will be very easy for you, provided you must do it fast. Okay, so we can get into the question. This of means multiplication. In the BODMAS rule, O stands for of, and that of is this. Okay, of means just multiplication, and this of is common to this term, right? So we can solve. 80% means 80 by 100 or 0.8, right? So 80 by 100 into 1.5 into 4, it is 60, right? But because of this decimal, right? One place to the left. So the answer is 6. Understood? 6 plus an unknown number x. You have to find this x, right? 6 plus x is equal to 24. 80 by 100, 8 by 10, 4 by 5, right? Now you got 4 by 5 into 6 plus x is equal to 24, right? And you can cancel 4 and 24 because 24 is divisible by 4. So here it becomes 1 and here it becomes 6, right? So how it will become? 6 plus x is equal to 6 into 5. This 5 on cross multiplying, it will go into the RHS, right? So 6 plus x is equal to 30. 6 into 5, it is 30. From here x is equal to 30 minus x, which is nothing but 24. So the answer is 24. So this is the next question, friends. Here it is square root, right? So you have to by heart square roots minimum up to 20 and cube roots minimum up to 50. Then only you can do it faster in the exams, okay? And if you don't know how to find the square roots and cube roots, I will give you the links in the description box. Please go through that video and then solve it, okay? Shall we start? Okay, here it is 60% again of means multiplication. So 60% we can write 60 by 100, right? So 60 by 100 into question mark, an unknown number. So we can put it as x, right? So x minus not equal to, it is minus. And 18 square, it is 324, okay? Go through the links in the description box in order to know how to find the square roots and cube roots, okay? And learn, once again, learn by heart up to 20 and cube roots up to 50, okay? Now 18 square, it is 324. This is equal to 222, right? And here 6 by 10. Again, we can simplify it as 3 by 5, right? So 3x by 5 is equal to, this will go to the other side. So 222, here it is minus. So on the other side, it will become plus, right? So how to solve? 8 plus 2, 10, remainder 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 2, 240. So we got 3x by 5 is equal to 240. And 240 is divisible by 3, right? So 3 get cancelled and here it becomes 80. So from here, x is equal to 5 into 80, which is nothing but 400. So simple, right? Now fourth question. 2 1 by 4 plus 4 and this into is common to this term, right? Into 8 is equal to question mark into 10. Okay. This is so simple. We know that 1 by 4 value is 0.25, right? So 2 plus point. Did you get it? 1 by 4 it is 0.25. So here it is 2 1 by 4. That means 2 plus 0.25. That is nothing but 2.25. Got it? So this becomes 2.25 plus 4. It is nothing but 6.25. So directly we can write it as 6.25, right? So 6.25 into 8 is equal to x into 10. And we know the value of 625 into 8. What it is? 40 remainder 4, 16, 20 remainder 2, 48 plus 2 it is 50 and 2 decimals, right? 2 numbers back to the left. So it becomes 50. So 50 is equal to x into 10, right? So from here it is x is equal to 5. Easy one. Okay guys, let's get into the fifth question, right? So this is the fifth question. Here it is 2q into 3 square divided by 90 divided by question mark. And this division is common to this term, right? Equal to root 64. And here 2 cube it is 8. And into 3 square it is 9. So we can directly write 8 into 9 it is 72, right? So 72 divided by 90 divided by x, right? Is equal to root 64 it is 8. Why? Because 8 square is 64. And how we can solve this? And here in the LHS it is 72 and in the RHS it is 8. So we can cancel because 72 is divisible by 8 by 9. 9 8s are 72, right? So here it becomes 9. So how you can write this x go to this side? How? Because this 9 by 90 by x can be written as 9 by 1 into x by 90, right? So it will become 9x by 90, which is nothing but x by 10. Got it? So instead of this, how we can write x by 10? X by 10 is equal to 1. From here x is equal to 10. So the answer is 10. See guys, this is very simple. You can crack the bank exam provided you must do all the calculations faster, especially in the quantitative aptitude section. So getting a job in bank is not so far. So friends, you got 5 marks in your hand. Shall we go to the sixth question? This is also simpler one. Do it faster, okay? So 22.5 divided by 2.5 into 8 minus 12 equal to question mark. This is a very simple question. And here, according to BODMAS rule, you do division first, then only multiplication, right? So divide these two numbers, right? So how it becomes 22.5 divided by 2.5. Then into 8 minus 12 equal to question mark. After division, you do addition and subtraction, okay? And here, the decimal point, it has only one place from the left in both numerator and denominator. So you can write this as 225 by 25, right? So into 8 minus 12 equal to question mark, let it be x. So 25 into 9 it is 225 and this 9 into 8 it is 72 and 72 minus 12 we know what the value 60. So x is 60, right? So friends, moving on to the seventh question. It's very interesting to do calculation of these simpler numbers, right? So we can. So 18 into question mark can be replaced by x, right? So 18 into x is equal to 15 into 2 it is 30, 30 into 3 it is 90. Or you can do 3 into 6, 15 into 6 it is 90, right? So here 18 into 5 it is 90, right? 18 into 5 because 90 is divisible, 90 is divisible by 80. So 18 into 5 is 90, so x is equal to 5. Eighth question is 36 plus 25 divided by 0.5 equal to question mark into 43. And according to BODMAS rule, first you do division, right? Then only you do addition and subtraction. So 36 plus 25 divided by 0.5. How we can write it as 250 by 5, right? In order to remove this decimal is equal to x into 43, right? And here it becomes 50. 36 plus 50 it is 86. 86 is equal to x into 43. From here we will get the value of x as this 86 is divisible by 43, right? Because 43 into 2 it is 86. So x is equal to 2. Answer is 2. Friends, moving on to the ninth question, right? So within the square root it is written as question mark into 4. So let it be x, question mark be x. Root of x into 4 is equal to 1 by 4 into 8 square it is 64. And we know that 64 is divisible by 4 with or by 16, right? Because 16 into 4 it is 64. So in the RHS it is 16. So now we got root x into 4 is equal to 16, right? And in order to remove the square root, what you have to do in the RHS, you have to square the 16. That is x into 4 is equal to 16 square. We know that 16 square it is 256, right? Have you got 256? 16 into 16. 2-digit multiplication shortcut method, you know. 36, 1, 6, 6, 15, remainder 1, 2, 256. If you don't know, I will give you the link in the description box of 2-digit multiplication by shortcut method. So go through that link. Now, x is equal to 2, x into 4 is 256. From here we will get x as 256 divided by 4. What is the value? 64, right? So the answer is 64. Now friends, we are moving on to the 10th question. 16 1 by 2 minus 2 1 by 2 plus 4 cube equal to question mark. Okay? And we know that 16 1 by 2 is 33 by 2. How? 16 1 by 2 can be written as 16 into 2 plus 1, right? By 2, which is 16 into 2, it is 32 plus 1 by 2, which is 33 by 2, right? Okay? So 33 by 2 minus 2 1 by 2 can be written as 5 by 2. How? 2 1 by 2, which is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 plus 1, right? By 2, this denominator. So 2 into 2 it is 4 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 5 by 2. This is for the persons who don't know how to solve this, okay? So 33 by 2 minus 5 by 2 plus 4 cube, it is 64, is equal to, don't know the value, x. So 33 minus 5, the denominator number is common. So the LCM is 2. 33 minus 5, it is 28 plus 64 is equal to x. And we know that 28 is divisible by 2, right? So it will become 14. 14 plus 64 is equal to x. Addition, you will get 78. So the value of x is 78. 64 plus 14 is equal to 78. So the answer is 78. Moving on to the 11th question. Last year 12 questions from simplification and approximation they asked. So you can expect more than 10 questions, but at least 10 questions are from this section. So if you get more questions from this simplification or approximation, it's easy to score full marks from this section. So shall we go to the 11th question? So it's given that 221 into 3 is equal to x square minus root 169, right? So in the RHS it is x square, unknown number. X square minus root 169, we know it is 13. 13 square, it is 169, right? So 221 into 3, it is 1 3s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 663 is equal to x square minus 13, right? So this 13 will come to LHS, right? So 63 plus 13 is equal to x square. And what's the value? 6, 7, 6. 676 is equal to x square. We have to find out the value of x. X square is 676. So x is equal to 26. Why? Because 26 square it is 676. If you don't know how to find the square root, please go through the link I will give you in the description box. So go through that and then come back to this section. Okay, so the answer for this question is 26. Now going to the final question from this part is 12 into question mark plus 225 equal to 105 into 5. And 105 into 5 we know what's the value? 25 to 5. 525, right? So 12x plus 225 is equal to 525, and this 225 will go to LHS, right? So minus 225, what's the answer? 003, 300, right? So 12x is 300. From there we will get the value of x is 300 is divisible by 2, right? How? 2, then 65. 25 into 12 it is 300. So the value of x is 225. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. We will discuss some more questions in the upcoming videos. And if you like my channel, do support the channel by subscribing and sharing it with your friends. Don't forget to click the bell icon because you will get notifications of my latest videos if you press the bell icon. So see you in the next video. Till then, have a good day and thank you.